It's a wonderful cross. You cannot underestimate how much quality is on that cross, because it evades the attempt of Thibaut Courtois. He can't come for it. It's drifted beyond Lucas Vázquez at the far post. I must be honest, when I saw it was Unai Lopez at the back stick, didn't fancy his chances. There's not a lot of power on them.
We've shown against top sides. And now from Isi's corner, and they have stolen possession here. It's
back. Are they going to try and protect the lead? They're not having any of that. They're still on the front foot. They're going to get the ball in behind quickly down the flanks to Mbarbara and De Frutos. They're going to try and
turn to him and set back to De Frutos. And what a good move that was. Really well worked from Rayo Vallecano. De Frutos couldn't find the finish. Unai Lopez delivering. Bellingham's ball into Vázquez for Rodrigo, who forces a smart save from Augusto Batalla.
Yep, 13 minutes gone. That's the first attack from Real Madrid, apart from the effort from Arda Güler from kick-off. First time we've seen Rodrigo get involved. We've seen Brahim Diaz drop deep and get involved in the ball.
A deflected cross.
We're talking about the effort, the enthusiasm, the spirit, the attitude of Rayo. But they are the team at the moment showing better quality.
Real Madrid last season lifted, looking for De Frutos. Is Lucas Vázquez to the byline, and now in the centre, and his cross. Madrid in trouble again. De Frutos sees his effort blocked, and Matthew, they're just asking some questions of the referee here.
They are indeed both attempting.
Who is capable from that kind of... Arda Güler, who's gone for goal and failed to hit the target again.
Yeah, and rightly so, complaints from teammates who were in a better position there to receive the pass. Bellingham
from Rayo. That's another good cross, and Lejeune couldn't now with Isi. And this is cleverly worked to advance. Room for Fran. Power must defend now. Rodrigo cuts in. Mumin clears, and Modric
wants to get out of that dugout either, does it?
The French national anthem with a 7.
And that is a foul on Jude Bellingham. Jude Bellingham, who was man of the match on Tuesday's side. Lucas, and it's still going. Casual from Mumin, who doesn't have to pay a heavy price because it rolls forward for Batalla in the end. But lovely weight of pass from Arda Güler.
It's not great defensive line.
At the second attempt, he finds Isibga. Well, and there is the chance, just wide. It owed so much to the brilliance of Rodrigo. But in the end, Real Madrid couldn't apply the finish.
It's opening up now, isn't it? And they're finding space. Change of pace in attack there from Real Madrid. You can see it's Arda Güler with the attempt to finish. Scintillating play, as I say, from Rodrigo.
Players who are coming forward again, and this is promising from Pathé. Worth a go. Looking to add to his goal at Mestalla last week, but fires. It's not been dealt with. Here is the corner. It is deep, and it is 2-0! Abdul Mumin doubles Rayo's advantage, and the champions are 2 down in the first half.
Well, just when they were toiling, Rayo Vallecano, they managed to get the ball forward. They managed to get a set piece. They were finding it tough. Ancelotti is certainly finding it tough to watch a replay of a goal from a set piece. But Rayo Vallecano do have big players. If they can get the delivery precise, like that was from that set piece, they would have worked on that. They hit an area. They know Mumin is a big player. Pathé, Randy Nteka, Florian Lejeune, all big players, full of determination. And you can see Lejeune is at the far post, Mumin is at the far post as well. It's Arda Güler and Lucas Vázquez. They're out-muscled. They're going to be a complete advantage for the big players at the far post for Rayo Vallecano.
And Valverde! Masterful! Absolutely masterful! His 4th goal in La Liga this season, and all 4 have come from outside the penalty area. Real Madrid needed something, and Valverde has conjured it here. Brilliant goal. It's 2-1.
It's an amazing strike. I'm really surprised that Rayo Vallecano is a slight touch there from Pathé Ciss. Comes off the side of the head of Pathé Ciss. Batalla is remonstrating with his defense.
Be level soon because this is delivers. Attacked by it. It's caught my attention as well, Terry.
Yeah.
Busy couple of days.
Yeah.
The half, Rodrigo's cross is headed in! Bellingham equalises for Madrid. What a response it's been from 2-0 down. They have needed only 9 minutes to pull themselves level, and Jude Bellingham's wonderful run of goal-scoring form continues. He scores for the 6th consecutive league game.
We're looking at the strikers for Real Madrid. They're quite diminutive. Rodrigo, Brahim Diaz, Arda when he gets himself into the box. So it is so important that Jude Bellingham keeps making those runs, especially when Rodrigo pulls away and he gets wide, he delivers across into the box. He's looking for Jude Bellingham. Jude Bellingham knows exactly the right type of finish here. The glancing header holds off the challenge of Pat.
Nadella, let's just have a look at this.
Will Real Madrid take it away from them now?
Fixture played back in September. Ratu with Luka Modric. Delicate Rodrigo drops his shoulder and goes for goal! Took a slight deflection, but it doesn't matter. Rodrigo fires Real Madrid in front with his first goal since September. The champions were 2 down, they're now 3-2 up.
Well, they were probing. It's taken them 10 minutes in the second half to take the lead. A similar amount of time before half-time. They were 2 goals behind. So a complete turnaround in this game. Slight good fortune, but it's good patient build-up play, then the change of pace in attack. And then we see the attempt from Rodrigo. It does take a huge deflection. I think it's a bigger issue, but his feet were down.
Again, and goes for goal again! And Issy Palazon touches it home to bring this tumultuous game to 3-3.
Tim, I was just going to say that Florian Lejeune is one of the best free kick takers in La Liga from ridiculous distances. So Courtois spills the first one, and that's where it all starts, and they keep the ball in the danger area, and when it comes back eventually again to Lejeune, I must admit I thought he was going to have another shot, but it looks like it's a cross-come shot specifically for any player that's going to be running across.